Welcome back, guys. Today we're bringing you the greatest Amazon gadgets for your home and kitchen. From must-have cooking tools to smart home upgrades, these gadgets are perfect for elevating your space and making everyday tasks a breeze. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. This is a versatile egg cooker that makes preparing eggs a breeze. Whether you like them steamed, hard-boiled, or soft-boiled, this compact appliance delivers the perfect results in just a few minutes. Its one-touch button and automatic turn-off feature simplify the cooking process, ensuring your eggs don't overcook. The lightweight design makes it easy to store in small kitchens, apartments, or even while traveling. This is a smart security camera that helps you keep an eye on your home day and night with 1080p HD video. You can see, hear, and talk to your family or pets through your smartphone, thanks to its live view and two-way audio features. The camera sends alerts to your phone whenever it detects motion, and you can customize detection zones for added convenience. It also works as an indoor chime for your Blink Video doorbell, giving you real-time notifications. This is a magnetic wireless charging station that lets you charge multiple devices at once. It's designed to work with phones, smartwatches, and earbuds, making it super convenient for daily use. The station offers fast charging so your devices power up quickly. Its compact design also helps keep your space tidy while charging. This is a carpet sweeper that works well on low carpets and rugs, making it ideal for quick cleanups. It's great for picking up pet hair, crumbs, dust, and small debris without needing batteries or cords. The sweeper operates manually, so you don't have to worry about charging or plugging it in. Plus, emptying the collected dirt is easy with the push of a button, no dustpan needed. This is a smart table lamp that connects with Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to control its brightness and color through voice commands. It features a DIY scene mode through the integrated app, which offers 8 different lighting scenes to match your mood or activity. With 4 lighting modes, including warm white and RGB color cycling, you can easily adjust the ambiance to suit your needs. Made from safe materials, the lamp is designed to be kid-friendly and eye-protective, ensuring a comfortable lighting experience. This is a 6-piece kitchen set that includes all the essentials like a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, vegetable peeler, and herb stripper. Its stackable design makes it easy to store and transport, so you won't lose any tools. Made from high-quality stainless steel and comfortable ABS plastic, these gadgets are lightweight and easy to use. Cleanup is simple since everything is dishwasher safe. This is a mini waffle maker that's perfect for making quick breakfasts or snacks. You can cook more than just waffles. Try out hash browns, cookies, or even mini pizzas. Its small, non-stick surface heats up fast and makes cleanup easy, which is great for busy mornings. Ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs, it stores away without taking up much space. This storage set includes 2 stackable shelves designed to fit most pantry cabinets and refrigerators, holding various sized bottles and containers securely. Made from high-quality, shatterproof material, these shelves maximize space and keep your kitchen organized while ensuring easy access. The patented design prevents bottles from shaking, making it perfect for use in kitchens, bars, and other tight spaces. This compact 3-stage sharpening tool is designed to meet all your sharpening needs with tungsten carbide blades for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for fine honing, and a special tungsten carbide blade for scissors. Its strong suction base ensures safety, providing twice the suction force of similar products. To use, simply press the switch to secure it to a smooth surface. No need to hold it, keeping your hands safe. Small enough for easy storage, it fits conveniently in any kitchen without taking up much space. Keep your countertops clean and tidy with this stylish spoon rest. Tired of oil and sauce drips messing up your kitchen surfaces? This spoon holder features raised edges to catch all spills, making it a must-have for cooking, baking, and grilling. With 4 slots, it provides ample space to organize your utensils, whether spoons, spatulas, or tongs, keeping everything within reach during your multitasking session. Say goodbye to pet hair and debris with this powerful cordless handheld vacuum. Designed for optimal performance, its 20-volt max lithium-ion battery ensures strong suction for all your cleaning needs. The anti-tangle motorized pet brush effectively lifts stubborn hair, while the X-Littery extendable crevice tool reaches tight spots effortlessly. Enjoy the convenience of one-touch emptying, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Experience cinematic magic at home with this portable projector. The Freestyle 2nd Gen offers an FHD resolution and HDR support, making every movie and game visually stunning. With its point-and-play feature, setup is effortless. Enjoy immersive 360-degree sound that surrounds you, enhancing your viewing experience. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and a gaming hub, your favorite content is always at your fingertips. Breathe easy with this compact air purifier, ideal for rooms up to 250 square feet. Equipped with a Pecco HEPA tri-power filter, it effectively captures and destroys 99.97% of allergens, pollutants, and harmful bacteria. Its sleek design and portable handle allow you to place it anywhere, while the app lets you monitor air quality in real time. Experience cleaner, fresher air effortlessly. Transform your workspace with this fully adjustable dual monitor stand. Designed for 13 to 30-inch screens, it supports up to 19.8 pounds per arm. The innovative gas spring system allows smooth swivel, tilt, and height adjustments, ensuring optimal viewing angles while promoting ergonomic posture. Installation is straightforward with included hardware, and built-in cable management keeps your desk clutter-free. Transform your pet's mealtime with this innovative automatic cat feeder designed for wet food. Utilizing advanced semiconductor refrigeration, it keeps meals fresh for up to 3 days, locking in moisture and nutrients. Control feeding schedules via the app for convenience, and the unique paw shield design prevents sneaky snacking. Enjoy peace of mind with efficient, hassle-free feeding tailored to your pet's needs. This is a sushi making set that makes preparing sushi at home a lot of fun. It comes with everything you need, including a sushi knife, bamboo mats, and even a rice bazooka, so you can roll like a pro. Whether you're making California rolls or nigiri, this complete kit has got you covered. It's perfect for beginners too, as it includes a sushi cookbook and a free ebook to guide you through the process. Now you can impress your friends and family with your homemade sushi creations. This is a smart wireless meat thermometer that makes cooking multiple dishes easier. You can track the temperature of 3 different foods at the same time, so there's no guessing involved. Its long-range wireless connection lets you monitor from afar while you enjoy your time with others. With 4 sensors, you get accurate readings for both the food and the cooking environment. It charges quickly, giving you over 40 hours of use from just a 10-minute charge, and it's safe to use with temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a food chopper designed to reduce prep time significantly. It features stainless steel blades for faster chopping, dicing, and grinding compared to using a knife. With a simple slap action, you can quickly chop garlic and onions without the risk of injury from sharp blades. Cleaning is a breeze, as the chopper disassembles easily for quick rinsing or is dishwasher safe on the top rack. Made from premium materials, it's user-friendly for both expert cooks and novices. This is a spoon saver that adds fun and functionality to your cooking routine. Shaped like a friendly hug, it keeps your stirring utensils from slipping into pots while also slightly lifting the lid, perfect for simmering soups or sauces. When you're ready to put your utensil down, it flips over to act as a spoon rest, preventing any mess from cooking juices. Made from flexible silicone, it fits most regular-sized spoons and spatulas, helping keep your kitchen tidy. This smart pressure cooker connects to an app for guided cooking with over 600 recipes and videos. It features a built-in scale for precise ingredient measurement, eliminating the need for measuring cups. Automatic pressure release enhances safety, with 3 methods to choose from. The app also offers over 1,000 cooking presets. This sink is equipped with a smart LED display to show the water temperature while you work. It has a dual waterfall system and a retractable faucet with multiple spray settings for different cleaning tasks. There's also a glass rinser that reaches all parts of cups for a thorough rinse. Sound-absorbing pads help keep the kitchen quieter during use. And the sink is built for easy drainage to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Want to keep your food warm without the hassle? This electric warming tray heats up quickly and offers 8 temperature settings to maintain your dishes at the perfect temperature. With a safety lock and an auto shut-off feature after 4 hours, it ensures safe use while protecting your surfaces. Cleanup is simple thanks to its water and oil-proof material, and it folds neatly for easy storage. If you want to make perfect fries at home, this tool is a must-have. It cuts potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers into even strips quickly and easily. The stainless steel blade is strong and lasts a long time. With a handle that's easy to squeeze, you can push through whole potatoes without any hassle. It saves space in your kitchen and cleans up easily with water. This pasta maker takes care of everything for you, from mixing to shaping the dough. Just add your ingredients, and in under 20 minutes, you'll have fresh pasta ready to go. It comes with discs for making different pasta shapes, and you can even get creative with ingredients like spinach or herbs for added flavor. The compact size makes it easy to leave out on your counter, and there's built-in storage for the discs. Transform your coffee experience with a versatile 4-in-1 coffee maker that brews lattes, cappuccinos, iced, and hot coffee. Its built-in automatic frother adjusts to create the perfect foam for any beverage.